Nakamura. Shot that's not there. Taken out on the ball. This rebound by Bombs. Bringing it down. Not there. For the three. That guy's down. And we'll run out on the ball. And Mura to Lebanon. It's not there. With a rebound. 23 with the putback. It's not there. We have number 26 with the rebound. Register King will bring the ball out. King looking. King to Junior in the corner. Junior back to King. King to one back. He goes for the three. Almost. We have number 21 for the rebound. So Nakamura for the three. And then it's good. 3 points. We'll see the scene. Out on to Junior. Junior driving. We have a 3-second violation call. For the shot, almost. Hold down for the rebound. Stolen. Back to Palms. Palms trapping. It's not there. Stolen. Raging to Junior. To King. King now. Breaking it back down for the 3-point line. Set it up. King to Junior. Junior for the three. Almost. Back inside. Back out to Junior for another three. Almost. Palms now. 94 for the shot. And it's good. Points. King for the shot. And it's good. 3 points for priority care. Palms now. Bring the ball down. Let's go, Jay. Our dog to what the happens, and it's good 2 points. Bring the ball now. He's the lead. Gives it off to Moses. Moses to Nakamura. Junior with the rebound. And the one pass reaches, goes up for the shot. Almost. The rebound is there by number 23, Basinero, who's being called out now. Gives it off to Nakamura. Nakamura drives, but it's not there. Yeah, John. So Junior driving, passing, kicking in the corner. Almost. Back to Nakamura, to Palms. Now, look. Passing. Lovely. Basinero. Gives it up to Nakamura. Passing to Palms. He drives. Stops, but it's not there. He reaches with the rebound. Border, kick. What is he gonna do? Fakes. And he drives, beats Junior in the wing, goes for the 3, almost. Out down the rebound. Border, and it's good. 2 points. Everybody there. Jake now brings up. Jake Boyd. Trying to shake him. Gives it to Moses. Moses driving. Moses stops and puts it up. And it's good. 2 points. CUC. Adam on the ball. To Junior. Back to Adam. Gives it off to Regis. One down. Junior in the wing on the corner. And good 3 points for Brandon there. Oh, now we have to Williams, but it's not there. One down to Junior to King, setting it up. What does he see? He sees out. Gives it back to King. To Regis, but it's not there. Junior with the rebound and the putback, but it's not there. The level down. The Palms, the Basinero, and off the floor of Nakamura, but it's not there. Junior, Junior, drives over, easy, 2 points. Palms, driving, passing to Moses for the shot, and it's good, 2 points. King for the 3, almost. Nakamura the rebound, Palms, bringing it down. That's a ball. Palms, he's teasing. Passes through Basinero, back to Palms, he drives, dishes it out, Nakamura the wing, off the rebound, and the putback. Palms with the rebound again. Basinero for the 2, almost. Rebound by Nakamura, the putback's no good. One down. Junior, King. Fakes it and drives. Almost King. Junior fakes it. So, 57 seconds left in the first quarter. Score now 20-11. love it now to Pops. Pops to Nakamura. Nakamura to Nikaitis, but it's stolen by Williams. To Junior. Junior is going. Foul number 21. CDC, that is your first personal foul. Basket is good. One shot. Basket no good. Moses rebound. Moses to Lovely to Palms. Palms now goal. Driving inside to Nakamura, but the shot is not there. Lovely rebound to Palms for the putback. Almost one of the rebound to keep going for the shot. That is the end of our first quarter. Score 11-24 in favor of Priority Care. Stops and makes it 2-point CDC. We have Erson now on the ball. Erson just right to Erson. Feet inside the cement. Minutes to go. Getting some foul though. Foul number 8. Priority Care. That is your first personal foul. First basket is no good. Second basket also no good. We have a long now to Erson. Erson number still has it off the now down to Erson in the corner. Stolen by Bowden. Bonds the drive. It's a 2-on-1. There was all Moses Bowden, the bomb, driving, going, almost, but he gets it, Moses. Moses, oh no! Ball possession remains the same. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Moses, about it. Almost. Erson, getting that press, making play down. Looking and stuff. Passes down now, goes for the shot. And it's good. 2 points. Right over the Yeah, Nakamura now, bring the ball down. He's looking. Passes the palms and drives. Dishes it out to the campus for the three, almost. And the ball position, change it. Rangers with the inbound. Erson passes back to Rangers, to Torres, to Aldon. Swatted away by Olapay. Now Olapay going for a shot, almost Malvin with a put back, and it's good. 2 points for CDC. Erson. Driving. Lawrence holds it for the rebound for the Tigers. Gives it off to the palms. What is he going to do? Gives it to Olapay for the shot. Almost. Olapay with a rebound. Listen for Erson. Erson on the way for the three. It's the 3 points for Erson. Olapay bringing the ball down. Down the middle. He's looking. He's looking. He's stuck. He passes the palms on 3. Almost. Erson with the rebound and the long throw to Torres. And it's good. 2 points. Olapay to Baldwin. Now. Passing back to Olapay. Who drives? Number 20. That is your first personal foul. So, Torres going. Almost. Pops to Olapay. Setting it up. Passing back to palms to Baldwin. Sees the leash shoulder. Freddie. They got this. Back to Olapay. Olapay driving. Can't finish. Baldwin with the rebound. To Freddie. Back into Baldwin. Gives it to the Tigers for the 2. Baldwin with the putback and good. 2 points. Freddie with the steal. Freddie stuck. Freddie to the Olapay. Olapay now. Try to thread the needle. And it's good. 2 points. CUC. Aron, bring the ball down. Getting down, press by Olapay. But he beats him. And he's going. Feeds Torres in the corner. Air ball. Baldwin with the rebound. Gives it off the palms. Freddie. Baldwin again. To the Tigers. Puts in. Baldwin with the putback. And it's good. 2 points. CDC. With a long basket is good. Foul number 24. CUC. That is your first personal foul. 1 shot will be awarded. Freddie with the rebound. Long with the ball. Stolen. Freddie was not on. Listen. Factory, they just rolling. It's open. Bowden now on the ball. Bringing it down. Bowden all by. Trying to get Jalen that's stolen by Erson. Erson. And 2 points by Eric. Palms now. Making trying to beat Erson. Stolen. They just got on. Olapay, the rebound, gives it up to Texas. Bowden, the bombs for the 2, and it's good. Was a little shaky. Yeah, policeman out there. Out on Erson. Erson getting that touch by Freddie Gillespie to Erson. Inside outrageous shot, almost to Erson. Yeah, Olapay. Receives the ball from the Catholics. Olapay driving. Blocked by Doors. 7 left, 7. And it's good, 2 points. It's certified Erson. Driving. But it's not there. He's swinging. Down, shooting. Gives it back to Erson. Who goes for the shot? Almost. Olapay now on the block. Olapay sees that one. The shot is good, 2 points. We have Aldana on the ball. He's looking. What is he gonna do? He drops. Loses it, gets it back. Dishes it out to Boris. Oh, okay, for the rebound. Olapay waiting, setting up their offense, gives it to Freddie, the Bowden for the shot. And it's good. Damn, this guy is on fire. On the ball. Out to Erson. Erson shoots it. And it's 3 points for priority care. They're Freddie, Olapay. 7 it up. Olapay feeds Bowden goes. And it's good! 2 points, CC. Bro. Elizabeth, Aldana getting that press by Freddie. Aldana still getting that press. Bowden with the ball now! Bowden going. 2 points. Aldana to Erson. What is he gonna do? 20 seconds left on the clock. Getting that press by Freddie. Beats them, gives it to Regis. And the whole stop. And they need a ball. Oh, they got it. Left on the clock. Erson to Aldana. Boris going to the shot. And it's a travel. 1.7 seconds left on the clock. Bowden. And a friend brings him back. Bowden. That is the end of our second quarter. Score 35 to 42 in favor of Priority Care. Harrison to the rebound, long throw. Doris is not there. Out of line. Now Palm. On the ball now. Moses. Moses goes forward. No, passes to Zanetto. Gives it box back to him. And it's good. 2 points. Torres to King. King down. Shoots it. Good. Almost. Bona with the rebound. Torres back to Bona. Bona goes. Wow. Foul number 21. CDC. That is your second personal foul. First basket is good. Second basket is not there. The 11, the box. King. Jordan's in the corner. Back to King. King to Erson now. Erson. Bona. Moses deflected it. Palms. Palms. Palms going. Palms to Moses. Moses to Nakamura. Nakamura to Ludwig for the shot. Almost. Moses with rebound. Gets top. Foul number 10. Priority Care. That is your first personal foul. Good now, 2 points, but off the hand of Bona. We have King, bring the ball down. King off the screen from the ball man, goes and it's good, 2 points. Sees Nakamura, who goes for the shot, air ball. Torres. Erson, King for the 3. Almost. As Zanetto with the rebound. Zanetto setting it up, getting a press, passes the ball. Palms now driving. Goes for the shot, almost. Erson with the rebound. Erson long pass to Torres. Blocked. By Ludwig. Bonai gets a foul. Foul number 21. CC, that is your third personal foul, second team foul. Second basket is good. Moses, Barnes. Getting down the press back Morris. Barnes to number 4. Inside to Moses. For the shot, almost. Out of bounds. Harrison. Harrison driving. Oh. Everybody gets a foul. Foul number 38. CBC, that is your first personal foul. Timeout, CBC. Second basket. There's another foul. Foul number 21. That is your fourth personal foul. So. Good. Nakamura, the rebound, Bonds. Look alive, people. Bonds. Baldwin for the shot. Airball. Baldwin for Key. With the shot, it's good. Points. Bonds now on the ball. Good, no good, for the rebound, put back there, Baldwin with the ball now. The ball's back to Baldwin, and he gets a foul. Foul number 13, priority care, that is your first personal foul. Harrison, Junior. 38. CDC, that is your second personal foul. First basket is no good. Second basket is not good. Moses with the rebound. Moses pause. Getting that press by Junior. Bonds, Galvin, Nakamura fakes. Step back, passes the ball to Galvin. The box. For a shot, and it's good. 2 points. 5 minutes and 50 seconds left in the third quarter. Keep for the shot. Air ball. Airson. He just missed it. Aaron. Bonds. Nakamura Giants. 3-second violation. Sub. Oh, foul number 13. Fouls on number 13, priority care. That is your second personal foul. All by the way inbound. The box in the corner. It is good. 3 points for CUC. Over Donovan. Stolen. Little back. Bowling. Getting that key. All by the box. And we got a foul. Foul number 15, priority care. That is your first personal foul. Moses Palms, stuck, passing the ball back, but it's out of their ball position now. Perfect here. The Republican, listen. Erson inside number listening, fix it. Stolen by Oliver. The ball is flying. And it's good. 2 points. Junior now. The King. Erson takes the Giants. Feeds Junior in the corner. Almost. All by Moses. Moses back to our line. Gets a foul. Foul number 1, priority care. That is your first personal foul. Timeout, priority care. Whoa, it's getting heated. 4 minutes and 12 seconds left in the third quarter. Score now 44-49 in favor of priority care. And it's good. 2 points. CC. And Junior on the ball now, bringing it down. Junior to Erson. Driving, stopping, passing to Junior. Goes in. Feeds Erson in the corner. Erson inside to the ball now. It's good. 2 points. Freddie now on the ball. Freddie, Ponce to the corner. Ponce to Davis. Davis drives, shoots, not there. Rebound by King. King now, big ball out. King to Medina. Press. King to Mulliman. Erson in the corner. Almost. Oh wow, the rebound. Okay, the ball. Bombs now on the ball. Driving. Freddie, Olback goes. It's good. 2 points. Yeah, King for a shot, and it's good. Olback going down. Olback. Freddie for the shot, and it's sticky off. One King for a shot. We have Freddie now. Close game. Olback about it for the 3. Almost. Guys, this is the rebound, but it's stolen. The ball coming out. King going for the shot. And it's good. 2 points. The ball back. Freddie. Back to Olback. Back to Freddie. He's driving. Passes to Kairos. He's Olback. Olback drives. Shot is not there. Olback rebound to King. Go. We have Ponce. Erson setting it up. Erson sees Junior for Mulliman for the shot. And it's good. 2 points. Freddie now on the ball. Freddie rolling. Passing the ball. It's not sub. 35 seconds in the quarter. Yeah, King now. Number 13, priority care, that is your 3rd personal foul. The guy is on the ball. Gives it back to Freddie. Nakamura into Baldwin. Baldwin for nobody. Out of bounds. The ball. Freddie can't get up. The ball with the ball. King going for the shot. It's not there, man. The guy has the rebound. Stolen by Erson to beat. Line violation. 3.6 seconds left in the 3rd quarter. What is gonna happen? But Titus to Bowden. we have kick. On the ball. Kick. Oh, fancy! 2 points right there. Freddie now on the ball. Freddie going. Freddie getting that press. Gives it to Bowden. Bowden to Nakamura for the shot. One out. 2 Torres. Easy game, 2 points. Nakamura on the ball. Nakamura to out of bounds. Turnover. Ara to Regalament. Ball back to Ara. King in the corner. Terrible. Wait. Nakamura. Nakamura. To win it. Win. Oh, 3 points. CUC. The ball now on the ball. Ball and driving. To Torres. Torres for 3. And it's goal. 3 points. Priority care. Bowden with the ball. To Nakamura. Back to Nakamura. Drives. Puts it up. And it's good. What was that? Ooh. Ball went to the cherry pit. But Freddie took it to Nakamura. Pass is not there. 1 out. Gets fouled by number 2. CUC. That is your first personal foul. Alda to Regalament. Regalament. Off the screen. Feeds King in the corner. Almost. Freddie with the rebound. Freddie got to run it. Freddie, Bowden. Bowden driving. Bowden to Lazinero to Lane for another 3. Almost. Bowden saves the ball. Lazinero picking up. King goes up and gets fouled. 2 points or 2 shots. Foul number 2. CUC, that is your second personal foul. Second basket is good. We have Bowden on the ball. Bowden to Freddie. Freddie to Nakamura. Nakamura to nope. Bonnet with a rebound. Bowden. What are you gonna do? He shoots it. He misses. Freddie now on the ball. Freddie bringing it down. Freddie getting that press. Passes. Lazinero. But it's stolen by King. He stole it. Timeout. CUC. Whoa. It was an interesting beginning of the 4th quarter. Score now 55-71 in favor of Priority Care. Offensive foul number 13. Priority Care, that is your 4th personal foul. Lazinero, Ludwig to Freddie, back to Ludwig. He's getting that press. Is he going to beat that press? Is he going to beat it though? He beat it. Nakamura. Lazinero for the shot. Almost. Freddie with the rebound. Ludwig, 2, 5. Foul number 8. That is your second personal foul. So, ref. Boston with the rebound. Wanda bringing it down. And finishes. Boss now on ball, getting a press by Boris. Battle of the short range. To Ludwig, and there's a foul. Foul number 6, 7. Priority care, that's your first personal foul. On the ball, off the screen, to Ludwig for a shot. And it's no good, Ludwig couldn't get it rebound. One to Auran, to King, shooter. Travel, and ball never lies. 6 minutes left in the fourth and final quarters, 4:57-73. Figure out prior care. Palms now on the ball. Palms driving. Palms for the shot. One with a rebound and a long throw to Doris. Doris to King. King driving. 3-second violation. Just a reminder, guys, there's no camping down there on the bottom. Freddie now on the ball. Freddie and Nakamura. Box. Driving. Over. Ballman for the 3 points. The Ballman on the ball. Clean. Golding. Passing. Doris in the corner. Doris for Ballman. Ballman driving. Gets stopped. And it's a jump ball. Ball possession goes to CUC. There are 6 players on the court. Now you can sub. Tech on 1. Basket's no good. Ball possession goes to CUC. Nakamura in the corner, almost. Ballman with the rebound, Ballman goal. The Palms down on the ball. Palms to Freddie, but stolen. Out of bounds. Timeout for CUC. Banzinero on the ball. As another Ludwig driving. Down King. King to Junior. In the corner. And it's good. 3 points. Now Nakamura. Bounce, getting that press. Bounce to the double team. Bounce to Moses. Back to Moses. Bounce between them with a floater. Almost. Bottom with rebound. The bottom going. All gas. No breaks. Junior. Good. Air ball. One down. With a ball back. And it's good. Yeah, the guy says. Nakamura draws a foul. Foul number 1. Priority care. Penalty. That is your second personal foul. Or third personal foul. Shooting 2. Second basket is good. We have Ballman on the ball. Ballman bring that ball down. Ballman, what is he calling? What is he doing? Gives it to King. Wing. Almost. There's the dip to Junior. That's not good. And he gets a foul. Foul number 38. CUC. That is your third personal foul. First basket is no good. Second basket also no good. Moses bombs. And the guy flips. On the wing. Moses driving, using it, passing to Nakamura for a shot. Moses with a tip. Moses with a putback, and it's good. 2 points. CDC. We have Erson on the ball now. To Junior. Junior to King in the corner. Almost. Lovely for the rebound. Bombs. Going. And he loses it. Wonder with the steal. One line all the way. Passing to Erson in the corner. Almost. Junior with a putback, and it's good. Lovely now. There's a foul call. Foul number 1. CC. That is your first personal foul. So. I got our 8 gone. To 15. And to 50 or not. That's a shot. Almost rebound by O'Connor. Rages. And 3 points. 3 points. Another Rages. Floater. Basket is good. 2 points. Another 50 or not. To Rages. Rages to Odom. Stop. Odom sending back to Tita. 3. Almost. Brings his own rebound. To Rages for a shot. Almost. Rebound and Wilson. All the way down to Nakamura. to Moses. Moses to Titus Mechanicus. Nakamura offensive. 21. Violation. Hold on, down to the one. Single. Hold on to Regis. Regis to Odon. Odon to Regis. To Odon to Regis. The other Regis in the corner. Oh! Rebound by Moses. Number 4, McNicholas. Number 7. 7 for the shot. Almost. Rebound by McNicholas. McNicholas to Moses. Regis to Odon for the jump shot. 2 points. Right. 21 to 2. Nakamura. Layup. Almost. Rebound by number 15. Narakita. Almost. And a foul. Foul scored 28. That was penalty. 2 free throws to be awarded to Brady. First basket is good. Last free throw. Put back before rebound again. And a nice defensive cover between Regis to Marquita. Marquita for the shot. Almost. Not losing the rebound. A loose ball foul with no arm. That was called on. Right here. First basket is good. Basket is